Imagine biting into a rich, chocolatey, irresistibly moist brownie, a treat so fudgy it melts in your mouth with every bite. That's the magic of Fudgy brownies, dense and gooey, packed with deep chocolate flavor. Now let's see how you can make these mouth-watering treats at home. Before we start, gather your ingredients. High-quality semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate is key, about half a cup. You'll also need a half cup of unsalted butter, a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, gather a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Fresh and quality ingredients are the secret to irresistibly moist Fudgy brownies. With these ingredients ready, you're all set to start baking. First up, preheat your oven. This crucial step ensures an even cooking environment for your brownies. While that's heating, grease your baking pan and line it with parchment paper. This will make your brownies easy to remove. Now that your oven is warming up and your pan is ready, let's move to the next step. This is where the magic happens, making the brownie batter. Begin by melting down your butter over low heat in a medium saucepan. Once it's all melted, add in your semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. Make sure to stir constantly until it's completely smooth and melted. Once that's done, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in your granulated sugar. The mixture may look a bit grainy, but don't worry, that's perfectly fine. Let it cool down a bit before moving on to the next step. This is crucial because you don't want to scramble your eggs. Add the eggs one at a time, whisking well after each addition. Once the eggs are fully incorporated, stir in your vanilla extract. Next, sift in your all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold these dry ingredients into your wet mixture, but be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can lead to brownies that are more cake-like than fudgy. With your brownie batter ready and your oven preheated, you are now ready to bake. Now comes the most exciting part, baking your brownies. Pop your pan into the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when the edges are set, but the center looks slightly underbaked. A toothpick inserted in the middle should come out with moist crumbs, not raw batter. Let them cool completely in the pan before slicing. This is important. Patience is key here. After cooling, your fudgy brownies are ready to be enjoyed. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, tasting your homemade fudgy brownies. Whether you're pairing them with a cold glass of milk, a warm dollop of vanilla ice cream, or savoring them solo, each bite is a celebration of rich, chocolatey goodness. The dense, gooey center and deep chocolate flavor make these brownies a treat worth indulging in. So go ahead, take that first bite. There you have it, your very own homemade fudgy brownies. Deliciously moist and irresistibly chocolatey.